Apparently, Meta is preparing for mass layoffs after one of the worst downturns in recent history. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg warned employees during a Q&A session earlier this month that the company's experienced one of the worst downturns it has seen in recent history. It previously said that it's slowing its hiring this year, but it was at that session when Meta revealed that it's slashing its target number of new engineers hires by about 30%. He also announced at the time that Meta is going to raise expectations on its employees and giving them a more aggressive goals. Here's the quote from Zuckerberg. "I think some of you might decide that this place isn't for you, and that self-selection is okay with me. Realistically, there are probably a bunch of people at the company who shouldn't be here."
Yeesh.
I mean, it's funny how you can say those things when your company is enormous like that.
Yeah, he realizes it's not a startup anymore, right?
If you have a small group, if you're talking to a small group, that's an insane thing. Like, well, it's not insane, but it's very intimidating. Realistically, there's a bunch of people at this company who shouldn't be here. A bunch? What is a bunch? Is that 50? Is that 500? Yeah. What is that? And then you're sitting there, you got your job, and like, man, I don't know. I don't know if is he talking to me?
Yeah.
I feel like I'm doing good work. Is he talking to me? The social network metaverse company started preparing to cut costs due to weak revenue forecasts a few months ago, even going so far as to axe some of its metaverse initiatives. They claimed that the Russian invasion of Ukraine has hurt their revenue. Also, that they're expecting to lose $10 billion in revenue because of the change in Apple's privacy policies. $10 billion from one little... Apple just checks a box. $10 billion. A $10 billion... Would you like to see personalized ads anymore? $10 billion. Nope. No, thank you. Although every time I talk to you guys, you and Mo and everyone else, you're like, I love the ads on Instagram. It's the best part.
The ads are so good.
I love the ads on Instagram. It's really why I'm on there. I'm like, what's going on here? Because you're talking about ads everywhere else. I'm talking about Netflix ads and this and that. And you're saying absolutely not.
But then actually work.
On Instagram, you guys want all the ads. So maybe Zuckerberg's honest. Maybe he'll recover. Who knows?
Hopefully.